Welcome to the third tutorial of the series. Till now, I have explained you all about the basics of the system, various applications, and the users. This system will be used by various kinds of users such as system administrator, project manager, lead engineer, team lead, engineer, CAD designer, and site manager. These users will be having a specific jobs to perform in the system. Now let us just traverse through the roles to understand their duties and responsibilities in the system. The first one is the system administrator. He is responsible for various key tasks in the system. He or she has access to the complete database with read, create, and update permissions. He or she can add and remove users in the system. They can create customer records in the system, attach files against those customer records. Contacts of various people at the customer site can be added against the contact tab in the customer record. The customized apps that are accessible by the system admin are as follows: the project management app, the CRM app, and the Siemens Master Data app. For demonstration purpose, I have logged in into the system as a system administrator, and I'll just show how a system admin will perform his activities. There are various applications present in the app gallery, and out of which I'll be opening this CRM app. This is the CRM application. As you can see, there are two tabs present: the customer tab and the projects tab. The database of the complete customers is located in the customer tab, and the projects that we are having is located in the projects tab. I'll just create a customer record and will show how the system really performs. This is the create button with a plus icon. As you can see, I've clicked it. This is the new form to create a customer. There are various fields to be entered. I'll just enter the customer's name. For example, let us enter Kolkata Power Company Limited. This company belongs to the energy industry, and this is our repeated customer. The ownership for this company is public company. Let us enter a few more details. The head office is located at Kolkata. City head office is located at Kolkata. The project site address is at South 24 Parganas. And even the project site in the city is located at South 24 Parganas. I'll just enter the phone number. We'll save this record. Okay, so my record for the Kolkata Power Company Limited has been created in the system. As you can see, the system information that is created by me, Avinash Mishra, on 30th May, 8:53, 21 a.m. while I'm recording this video. On the left side, you can see three tabs: Notes and Attachments, Projects, and Contacts. I'll just go into the first tab, Notes and Attachment. For every company, there are a few documents that we need to store in the system for our future reference. I'll upload a document that represents the organizational hierarchy structure of this company. I'll click on this plus icon to create a new file in the system. As I clicked it, there are two options available to me. The first one is select a file from A to Z apps. This option enables me to select a file that is available in the server itself. The second option is to create a file in the server from my local computer. I select the second option. There are a few more options available to link the file. I'll just upload a file from my local computer. I'll just browse through my computer and will select the file. I've selected a file, Kolkata Power Company Limited, Organizational Hierarchy Structure, the Excel file. I'll save it. As you can see, the file has been uploaded easily and successfully. Similarly, we can store multiple notes and attachments of this customer that will be accessible very easily in future. Now let us move to the Contacts tab. As you can see, there are no records available as of now. I'll create a new record by clicking the create new option available in the submenu. Submenu is here. I'll click it. The first option available, that is create new. I'll click on the create new button. A form opens up for creating the new contact. I'll create a new contact. Mr. First name Derek. Last name Smith. Date of birth 19 August 1969. I'll enter the mobile number. I'll enter the email ID. S Derek @ apcl.com. As he is the CEO of the organization, I'll enter the designation as CEO. I'll save this record. As you can see, the record has been created for Mr. Derek Smith, the CEO. On clicking this D available here, we can read the record.